Jesse's back. He already learned how to keep his room clean and organized. Now, it's time to learn how to clean up messes on the floor in other areas of the home by sweeping. It looks like Jesse already knows what we use to sweep. A broom. So, when do we use a broom to sweep the floor? Well, sometimes the floor can get messy with food crumbs, dirt from outside, or something else. When this happens, we need an easy way to clean it up without having to get out the big, noisy vacuum. A broom is a quick and easy tool to use when we need to clean up a small, dry mess of something like food or dirt. Sweeping just means using a broom to clean up a dry mess on the floor. A dustpan is often used with a broom. It's very handy for collecting the mess and bringing it to the trash can. Brooms can be big or small, and they work great on a hard floor, but not on a carpet. Okay, let's get sweeping. First, get a broom and dustpan. If you don't know where they are, just ask an adult. Next, sweep the mess into a pile. If you're using a longer broom, put one hand halfway down the broom's handle and use your other hand to hold the top of the broom's handle. As you sweep, be sure the bottom of the broom stays on the floor. This soft bottom part of the broom is called the bristles. Then, sweep the pile into the dustpan. You may want to use a small brush to pull the mess into the pan. If you have a longer broom, you might want another person to hold the dustpan for you. Finally, empty the dustpan into a garbage can. So long, mess. Good work. Let's review the steps. First, get a broom and dustpan. Next, sweep the mess into a pile. Then, sweep the pile into the dustpan. Finally, empty the dustpan into a garbage can. Just like that, no more mess. Jesse earned his Superstar Sweeper Badge. You can work on your sweeping and earn your badge too. See you later.